Some of you all are eagles asking chickens how to fly. Your problem is you are getting your information from a bird that never leaves the ground. I need you to find another eagle. Another eagle says, I was young, but now I'm old, but I've never seen the righteous forsaken. No, it's seed begging bread. Slap your neighbor and say, I'm an eagle. You're around here trying to fit in with ostriches because they bigger. They still can't fly. Do I have any eagles in the room? We're talking about people who fly above the criticism, fly above the hatred. They that wait on the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings like eagles.